Hello everyone, welcome to Plantstar. As I mentioned in thumbnail, this video is about my very first income from our garden. Let's get started. Before starting, if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe it. Basically, in my garden, betel leaf or pan leaf plant growth is enormous. I planted this before 2 years. Still now its growth is very great. The cost of 1 to 10 betel leaves, that is 50 to 70 gram of betel leaves in India, cost rupees 35 approximately. The betel leaves are cut 20 days once with my help of my mom. Generally, we collect 200 to 250 leaves and then packaged in a cover and sold to a florist. And let us discuss the success behind the growth of betel leaves. First, I come up with fertilizer. This plant needs nitrogen rich organic fertilizer. You can also use compost made at home. For this, I recommend goat poop liquid fertilizer, which is available in our channel. I provided a link in the description. If you are interested, watch it out. To follow our Instagram page, click the link in the description. And thanks for supporting my latest reel in Instagram. Second thing is sunlight. This plant loves partial sunlight. For this, I recommend to plant it under the shade of large tree. They also love a few hours of morning sunlight. Third most thing is watering. Water your betel leaf plant regularly to keep the potting mix moist at all time. But ensure that the soil mix is not soggy. A betel leaf plant requires watering on a daily basis and grows with a moist soil. And fourth is soil. First of all, it may be any type of soil, it should have a good drainage system. We can use a sandy loam, a heavy clay loam, etc. Mix with the organic fertilizer and then plant. And the fifth and the final tip is how to avoid diseases in betel leaf. Main disease we can observe is brown spot in leaves. First solution is remove or pick the diseased betel leaves from the plant. Then spray organic fungicide solution, example neem oil, garlic peel, fertilizer, etc. These are the factors I carried out to take care of my betel leaf plant. Earning is next thing. I recommend everyone to plant betel leaf plant at home. It has a very medicine applications. In upcoming videos, I will try to make a propagation of betel leaves. And thanks for watching this video and keep supporting.